The fun-filled trailer of Arjun Kapoor's next film Mubaraka is finally here, and it promises to take you on a roller coaster ride. With so many twists and turns at almost every point in the film, this one looks like it's going to be a great entertainer. One of the things that left us impressed is Arjun Kapoor and Anil Kapoor's interesting camaraderie. This is the first time the Chacha Bhatija Jodi is coming together on the screen for the first time, and fans are oh so looking forward to it.
देखिए पहली बार तो आई थिंक ऐसे जॉनर में डबल रोल करना ऑटोमेटिकली मुश्किल हो जाता है बिकॉज कॉमेडी की टाइमिंग वैसे ही मेरा पहला मौका था कॉमेडी करने का इतने दिग्गज डायरेक्टर और दिग्गज कलाकारों के साथ. सो आई वाज एप्रीहेंसिव एंड नर्वस अबाउट बीइंग एबल टू गेट द परफॉर्मेंस राइट. एक होता है कि टेक्नोलॉजी का सपोर्ट मिलेगा लेकिन परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी होनी चाहिए. तो जैसे अनीस भाई कह रहे थे और आप लोगों ने ट्रेलर में देखा होगा, इट्स ट्रूली वन ऑफ अ काइंड डबल रोल. इसमें मिस्टेकन आइडेंटिटी नहीं है. एक नहीं है कि एक जाता है और दूसरा आता है. आई हैव apart from Athia, Ileana and Anil Chachu being my co-stars, I also had another co-star that was myself. I've spent more time talking to myself. I think लोग सोचेंगे मैं पागल हूँ जब आप making देखेंगे because I used to have to perform the scene with all the actors. Then they all used to have to leave and there were tennis balls put as markers. We used to have to follow a machine that was in place that used to show us the shot. And I would have to redo the shot from the other performance point of view. Keeping in mind that the body double or sometimes Balli, our amazing writer who used to help me out by performing with me.
It's a pure family entertainer. और अनीस साहब की एक खासियत है कि आपको चाहे वो नो एंट्री हो, चाहे वो वेलकम हो, चाहे वो वेलकम बैक हो, चाहे मैंने जो फिल्में उनके साथ जो इन्होंने लिखी हुई थी, दीवाना मस्ताना, लाडला का कुछ फिल्में तो मुझे अभी नाम भी याद नहीं है, मगर ये जो इन्होंने फिल्में लिखी हैं जो मैंने इनसे किया कि एक डबल मीनिंग डायलॉग नहीं होगा. एक ऐसा डायलॉग नहीं होगा जो आप पूरी परिवार के साथ देखेंगे और बोले यार ये क्या बोल दिया इन्होंने. ऐसा आपको कभी नहीं होगा. फिर भी उस मासूमियत के साथ आप ये फिल्म देख सकते हैं और खुश हो सकते हैं, entertain हो सकते हैं.
Like other Anis Bazmi films, this is also a madcap comedy of errors and how one problem ensues and it leads to a few more. Playing leading ladies to both the Arjuns, there's Athia Shetty as Binkle.
I'm really blessed to be here right now. It's my second film and I get to work with people like Anis sir, Anil sir, Ileana, Arjun. So it just makes me feel proud of myself. And this journey has been absolutely amazing. I've had some of the most amazing times. And I've also learned a lot. You know, I've learned so much through the shoot, watching, observing. And I think that's really important for an actor. And yeah, so I'm extremely happy to be a part of this film.
And Elena De Cruz as Sweetie.
It's been fun. It's been really crazy. As you can see, the trailer, it's mad, it's crazy, it's fun. And I think more than anything, you know, jab itne sare actors hai, you need to have a nice sort of equation with each other to be able to, especially with comedy, you should be able to at least converse with them easily so you can improvise and stuff. And they were awesome. They were absolutely awesome to work with.
For all the fun that took place at the trailer launch, you've got to feel the madness created. So, enjoy.